This is Chris Kelly, just a quick tutorial on setting up your custom Fitclick diet for ModelFit. Now, once you log into the Fitclick website, you're going to be brought to the main page here where we have, the scroll bar with several tabs that you could choose. What you're going to do, what you are going to do is go to Diet Nutrition. All right, so I'm going to click, and then I'm going to click Diet Tracker. All right, now if you've never created a diet here before, I'm just going to click switch plan because it's going to bring me back to this screen, but you'll be taken to this screen. How would you like to use your diet? All right, so you'll be given the opportunity to either just track, use another person's diet, which you can do a search on, or setting up your own diet. We're going to click on setting up your own diet. We're going to click choose below that. All right, and it's going to give you a couple options. What we want to do is scroll to the bottom here and click on no plan. All right, I'm going to go straight down. Now it's going to ask me to set my ratios. Okay, what I've done is I've multiplied my weight by for this example 13. We're looking for anywhere between 13 to 15. Okay, so we'll say my weight is based upon that. I got 1,600 calories. All right, you want to set the carbohydrate protein fat ratio to 50, 35, 15. And you'll notice that this gives me ratios. So with carbohydrates, I'm looking to stay between 309 and 336 with protein and fat, etc. So as long as you're eating between these macros, that's what we're looking for. So once we've chosen that, we click submit. All right, what it's going to do is just create kind of my target calories and what I'm looking to do. Okay, so now we have that. All right, now in order to generate meals, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click get meals. Okay, so if I'm looking to do it for the next 2 weeks, I'll click that. I can also set custom dates, meaning I can do it for 4 weeks. What I like to do is, if you're somebody that's eating lower calories, I usually start my clients out with like 13 multiplied by their weight. After 2 weeks, we'll bump it up to either 14 or 15. So you might try creating 2 plans, one for the first 2-week block and one for the second 2-week block. But in any case, so we'll say first 2 weeks, add 2 weeks. Okay, so it's just generating my meals here. All right, so now I'm gonna have, if I scroll down here, I just have, my breakfast, my morning snack. Really, everything is gonna be pre-generated for me. Your task is to go through these and sub in what you want. Okay, so now we have, our pretty well-proportioned meal for each day. Okay, but now, like you said, if poached eggs are not your thing in the morning, all you need to do is just click add food. Maybe you like scrambled eggs. We'll click on scrambled eggs. Click enter. Okay, and I'll just bring up a bunch of options that I could potentially choose. So I just click, for purposes of this, I'll just click this. So it's going to add, it shows me the macros there. Okay, we've got 305 calories for, 3 servings each. I'll click submit. Okay, and that's just going to add in the food. So now, I scroll down. I also have scrambled eggs, and then I can take out, poached eggs or whatever I don't want there. So you can really reproportion that as well. So what I want you to do is I want you to just go through, add in the meals that you want, and as long as you stay in these targets here, as you can see, I'm above my target calories now, but it doesn't really matter because I just added it. But as long as you're in these targets, you can really eat whatever you want. It's just staying within these targets. That's the key. I can click on each individual day, okay, and it'll bring up the meals for those days, and you can just make those changes. The other thing here is that you can click on grocery list. Okay, and you can choose the ranges. So for the next 2 weeks, I'll say from Wednesday the 1st to Friday the 10th, I'll click go. And then it'll bring up, it'll bring up a specific shopping list for, foods to buy for what I'm looking for. So that's a cool thing as well. Just scroll back here. All right, and once I'm ready to choose my diet, or once I'm ready to get this stuff, all I do is click print. Okay, and I just choose the dates that I'm looking for here. So we'll say 5/1 to 5'9". Okay, and I click show. So now what's going to happen is, right, it's now generated all my meals for the next, 9 days or whatever it may be. I can go down, I can see exactly what I'm eating, the breakdowns, in recipes in the case, where something requires preparation. But, as you can see, this allows you to create a diet. I'll show you one other thing here. You can also save this diet under your name. So all I do is I click create diet. And I just choose the dates. So we'll say from the 2nd to the 7th, click submit. Okay, it's going to bring up, obviously what I'm eating, and you just name the diet, blah. Okay, once you've kind of filled that in, all you do is click submit again, and that's going to generate your diet. So that kind of allows you to, you can track on this site as well, but that allows you to generate a custom diet using our Fitclick system.